I'm Sherri Harrah with HomeShow Garden Pros, and every Friday night is my date night with my plants. You know, my plants are more spoiled than my children. They get my attention 100% every Friday night with my Super Seaweed. Super Seaweed is going to help your plants thrive in the stressful environment of our summer or our winter. So no matter what the season, it is a good time to spray Super Seaweed. Now you could do that as something as simple as a hand sprayer, and you just mist it on the plants. Usually I like to do this between like 7 and 8 o'clock at night. As the sun's kind of going down, it's not as harsh outside of an environment, and the leaves will accept the nutrients. Now, I do it on a much bigger scale than this, and I need a little help from this. So I get out in my yard, and it's cocktail hour on Friday night, and this is how I end my work week. My plants get a quench, and I quench my thirst as well. For more great tips like this, join us on HomeShow Garden Pros Saturday mornings from 7 to 9.